Hi everyone, this is Crafty Decoria and I hope you're all doing great. Today's video is going to be super quick and really easy. It is a video that I recorded last year and I never got around to uploading it. So going through my files, I did find it and thought I would share it with all of you today. As I said, it's really easy, so you don't need a lot of items and all items can be found at Dollar Tree. So for today's DIY, I will be making a planter. So if you're like me and you enjoy the high planters without the high prices, then perhaps this DIY will be beneficial to you. Without further ado, let's get into it. I hope you enjoy. Starting with DIY number 1 on making my tall planter. This is super easy to put together, but I think it's a really great option where you want a taller planter but you don't want to spend a lot of money. So I'll be using 2 of the larger taupe planters from Dollar Tree, and then I have this smaller planter that resembles a barrel. I'll be using that as well. And I also have my E6000 glue and my favorite paint and primer from Krylon, the Fusion All-in-One. So that's everything that you will need. So now let me go ahead and assemble this to show you how I will glue the pieces together. Okay, so I took one of the larger planters and I turned it upside down. Then I took my smaller planter and turned it upside down on top of the larger one. Now for these, I don't need to poke any holes. The only place I will be poking holes is in the second large planter so that I have drainage for when I add water inside. So then I'm just going to take that second planter and center that on top of the smaller planter so that it looks like this. I'm going to add my E6000 glue to all these pieces and let this dry overnight to get a really nice strong bond. So here I'm just tracing out where I want my pot to sit directly on the larger pot so that when I add my E6000 glue, I'm not really moving it around so much, smearing the glue. I know exactly where I want it to go, so I just put it in place and let it dry. The holes in these pots are already made for you. You just need to poke them. And then here, as you can see, I take my E6000 glue again and then add it to the smaller pot so that I can take that second larger pot with the open side facing up and gluing it directly on top, and again letting that dry. So now the pots are ready to be spray painted. I didn't mention earlier, but this DIY can be made using strictly Dollar Tree items. As I said, I use the spray paint because it's just a lot quicker and gives a nicer finish. However, you can use the acrylic Dollar Tree paint. I use the E6000 glue, but again, you can substitute that with the Dollar Tree super glue. Okay, so here are my Dollar Tree planters. By spending $4.50 Canadian in pots at Dollar Tree, as well as some spray paint and some E6000 glue, or remember, you can substitute making it all Dollar Tree using the super glue from Dollar Tree as well as their acrylic paint. You can create these tall, high-end, really cheap, really easy planters. I love them and I hope you enjoy them as well. If you did, please click on that like button, share the video if you can. It will greatly help my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. And as always, you guys take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye for now.